Hi guys, this is Craig from DRONESIX. I'm here in Mombasa and it's an absolutely beautiful day. A bit windy, but all good. I'm at my old school where I went to kindergarten up to the age of about 16, and I'm going to be doing some FPV flying today at the school sports field. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks. Before we get to the flying portion of this video, I flew the site over a couple of days, so the video is clipped from a couple of days. And I'm still very new to FPV and acro mode, but I'm absolutely loving it. It's a fantastic hobby, amazing experience, and through our company DRONESIX and our club, Drone Club Kenya, we hope to help build up a community of FPV pilots in Kenya very soon. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks guys.